Is your iPhone in disabled screen, or you forgot your passcode, or stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to unlock your iPhone without password in just a few simple steps using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is a powerful tool that helps you to remove any iPhone screen lock, bypass Apple ID and iCloud activation lock, unlock iPhones even if you forgot the passcode, disable screen time, or without losing data. Whether your iPhone is disabled, second-hand, or stuck on the home screen, Passixer has your back. This tool will allow you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in seconds and get your phone fully unlocked. The tool can instantly unlock iPhone without passcode from different scenarios. No matter what types of passcodes you are using, Passixer iPhone Unlocker can easily wipe and remove them in one click. Now I will quickly show you how to install the software. First, download the software from the official website. Once downloaded, go ahead and install Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Once installed, open it. Now connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB cable. Now choose the unlocking mode you want to use. You can choose passcode unlock, Apple ID removal, iCloud bypass, and more. Since my device is stuck on iCloud activation lock, I will choose bypass iCloud activation lock. Now just follow the on-screen instructions. Don't worry, no tech skills required, and it's very simple. In just a few seconds, your iPhone is fully unlocked as you see. It's fast, safe, and doesn't require your Apple ID or password.
Now let's talk about the supported devices. Passixer supports all iPhones and iPad models, including the latest iOS 18 and iPhone 60 series.
It works for situations like iPhone is disabled, forgot iPhone passcode, stuck in MDM lock, or purchased a second-hand iPhone with activation lock. So guys, go ahead and join thousands of users who have successfully unlocked their iPhones using Passixer. Click the link below to download the tool and get back into your device. No hassle and no Apple ID needed. Forgot or lost your Apple ID password? Apple ID is locked for security reasons. No worries, you can use Passixer iPhone Unlocker to completely remove Apple ID from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch without password. It's super useful and easy to use. Don't let forgetting passcode ruin your day. Get Passixer and unlock your iPhone in minutes. So guys, like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and happy unlocking with Passixer.